Today we are in the city of Eastvale. Today we are supporting the community of Eastvale. We from Fontana, California, we came over here to show our support to the car enthusiasts of the city of Eastvale. We have multiple different cars. They want to be part of this meet. Everybody's excited, everybody's having a good time, everybody's talking about their cars. So let's go and check it out. This meet was possible because of a group that is called BNB Motorgroup. I'm gonna leave the IG profile on the description below if you wanna follow them. They're here locally in the IE area, so if you are here in the IE area, be sure to support them because they did this, an awesome meet that is going on today. So let's go and check some cars and see what enthusiasts got to share with us and with you about this awesome meet that is going on today. And here we have this beautiful 2017 440i. And here we have the owner. What's your name?
Roberto.
I'm Francisco.
Nice to meet you.
I think the 440i, it is a great car. And if I have the opportunity to have one, I definitely will buy one. So tell me, what was your idea when you bought this car?
Well, first I want to apologize for the dirty vehicle. I just got off work, but you know, I had to show support for this little event going on. The biggest reason why I bought it is just the way it looks, the body style, the M Performance package. From what I read, it had great tuning potential. The B58 engine has nothing but good reviews, and honestly, the looks, it feels great. I came from a 2007 Toyota Camry, so it's the biggest difference.
That's what you were driving before?
That's what I was driving before.
That 2007 Toyota Camry?
Yes, with 290,000 miles, believe it or not.
Yeah. I mean, that's when we can see when someone has enthusiast blood, enthusiast feeling, you are stuck driving a Camry, right? But you gotta do whatever it takes to get on a true enthusiast car. And here we have a great example. He did the right thing to become another enthusiast and support our community.
Exactly.
So tell me, what do you think about the tuning potential you have on this engine?
Well, honestly, just from the pedal, just the push, the feel of the pedal, there's a lot of power just on a stock engine itself. So
I agree on that. Yeah, I'm a witness of that.
Yeah. Just the feel, the way it pushes you back in your seat, it's just, like I said, I came from a Camry. There's no way that this that I can go back
Camry won't do
a car like that. Yeah. So tuning potential wise, I honestly I'm in love with buying parts. I'm in love with feeling the power increase, and I could only do more from here, honestly.
Tell me, what do you think of your car versus the M4? I have an M4, so you better do something right. No, tell me your honest opinion.
Honestly, I probably couldn't pay for the price of an M4, but it almost feels like I have an M4.
I agree with him.
Yeah.
This car is a non-M vehicle, but it feels like an M vehicle.
Exactly.
I agree with him totally. And if you don't want to pay the high price of the M4, the 440 is more than enough, and you can get even more power than the M4.
Exactly. And you could put that money that you didn't spend on the M4.
I am sorry to say that because I own M4, but that's the truth. So congratulations on your car.
Hey, I appreciate it.
It's a nice sample. Probably later we're gonna have more takes on your car.
Oh, yeah, maybe next time I see you guys, it'll be a little bit cleaner. For sure.
All right, let's get to another car.
Hey, thanks.
And here we have this 2019 Subaru Impreza. The Subaru Impreza community is a large community, and he is part of the community. What's your name?
I'm Lloyd. Nice to meet you, sir.
I like the Subaru Impreza, especially this one with this red color. It looks amazing. Tell me, what do you love about your car?
What I like about it mostly is just the ride, the responsiveness of it, like when you hit the throttle, things of that nature, and then just the overall look of it, the aesthetics looks really nice, you know.
Yeah, I like the Subarus because they're still using the boxer engines, and back in the days, a couple manufacturers were using boxer engines, but Subaru is one of the few using full lineups or boxer engines, and that's why I think it's pretty amazing because they don't quit that legacy. Tell me why you bought this car over other brands, like you have the Subaru Impreza, and then you have the Ford Focus ST, you have the Lancer Evolution, and all those. Why do you think this one is better?
You know, those other platforms are all good, you know, but the Subaru community is just different. You know, everybody's pretty helpful in the community. Everybody, you know, gives you tips and things of that nature. And then just, you know, the mods on it. You know, it comes with a decent amount of horsepower, 310 to the crank at, you know, stock. So it's a powerful car. And, you know, just overall looks to it, you know. They made an amazing car in this model, and, you know, that's why I chose this one over, like, say, like the Evo 10, which is near and dear to my heart, but I love the STi.
Yeah, the STi. Oh, you have the STi. Okay, that's cool. Tell me, do you know the difference between the WRX and the STi, or is the same thing?
Pretty much this is like the same platform per se, but this one has 2.5 engine in it, and versus that one's a 2.0 that has an FA engine. This still has the Dinosaur EJ, but you know, it gets the job done. And then that's just about it. And then you know the transmission's a lot different. You know, you have the limited slip differential. And
okay, yeah.
Yes.
Do you have a manual or automatic?
Oh, manual. Has to be a stick.
Has to be a stick shift. Yeah. Don't tell me otherwise. This one is a turbocharged engine, which means it pulls a lot of power. Have you ever, or are you thinking to do any modifications to it?
Yeah, I mean, I added the carbon fiber trim for the, you know, aesthetics, but I have a remark, axle back delete, and then I'm planning on doing my intake, and then I have coils that I'm going to put on it. Probably sometime in the next couple of weeks, the coils and intake will be here.
Probably want to review your car then, to see before and after, right?
Yeah. And then I also have a Cobb access port, so when I do decide to tune, it's ready to go.
Thank you, man. This is an amazing car. I really like it.
Appreciate it.
Subaru is one of the best brands of the world. Actually, they're very reliable, and they can pull a lot of power. Here we have Marc. He's part of the SSR performance team. He is a person that helps us all, or enthusiasts, to help to modify your cars and everything. So tell me what you do, what you offer to us.
So we're a shop that definitely works on European vehicles. One of the main things we're getting into right now are supercars, our hypercars as well. We don't just upgrade, we help do repairs, crash repairs. If you're looking to do even any type of maintenance work from oil changes to brake services, we do those as well. We do have carry for the BMW platform, our own type of like power packages from any type of just bolt-ons or even tuning. We also have an in-house dyno. In case you guys want to run your numbers or do some custom tuning, well, we do that as well. And if you're looking to maybe even wrap your car, we're trying to do it all basically.
Oh, you do wraps too?
Yeah, we do wraps as well. The main thing is to try to help people work on their cars as if like it was our cars in a sense. So
yeah, I get your point. Yes, that's the way the enthusiasts are, right? If you work in an enthusiast car, you gotta feel it that the enthusiast is working on it, right?
Correct.
That way they feel confident and they feel like pretty good when you are putting your hands on their cars.
We're in Orange, located in Orange, right in between probably the 55 and the 57, right off of Ball Road. Yeah, so we're in that Orange area. I mean, look us up. We're on Yelp, 100%.
Okay.
If you ever see this video, come in, ask for Marc, or if you ever see Hasi over in the meets, definitely hit him up. We'll take care of you guys, no problem.
That's good. So now you know if you have a car and it's anywhere, or you want to be a true enthusiast and do some performance to it, there is the person to contact. And here we have Gerald. He owns this 2018 Subaru Impreza WRX. Tell me, what do you think about your car?
I think it's just like a well-rounded car, like just right off the box. It's a great daily driver. You know, it comes with the FA20, so like you can like kind of like modify it, make it a little bit faster, or you can just keep it like stock. You know, it's a little fun. Once again, daily driver. So all in all, it's a great car.
Yes, I know. I like Subarus actually because they're using the same platform over and over and over. That's legacy, and that's something that most manufacturers are leaving behind. And Tell me, what was the reason why you bought this car over other brands?
Well, before this I had a two-door RSX Type S, and it was a great car, but
That was a
to
good
me,
car, yeah.
it didn't really fit my needs because like I'm like carrying people in my car all the time, so four-door, and then like plus all-wheel drive, which like
is way better. You can go to the snow and nobody says no, right?
Yeah, most definitely off-road. I've been camping with it like twice already on stock suspension, but
yeah, take it for a guy. I own the M4, and the M4 going to snow, that is super bad. You cannot drive that car. You have to change the tires, and you have to go through a process. And with the Subaru Impreza all-wheel drive, no problems. You just drive straight to it, and that's it.
Yeah, most definitely.
Yeah, tell me, are you planning to do modifications to it, or you have anything, any projects or something like that?
Yeah, so right now it's on HKS Hypermac 4s, GTs, coilovers, straight from Japan. And it's also in CR Kawami's 18 by 9.5s. They're also from Japan, and it's wrapped around Firehawk Indies 500. But what's this called? My future is for the short term, probably upgraded brakes, because right now it's on organic brakes. So, but in the future, probably mod the engine, E85 intake. Like
you want the power, right?
Yeah, a little bit more, but not too much, keeping the reliability too.
Yes, yes. You don't wanna get crazy, but not too crazy. That's
yeah, there you go.
that's
just enough.
Just enough to feel it. Yeah,
most definitely.
Yeah, I know Subarus can pull a lot of power. Well, this is a great example. I like the color of the Subaru because it looks like a sleeper, actually.
Yeah, it's
this color looks like a sleeper.
Yeah, it really blends in, like it's not like really stealth, but yeah, it's pretty good. I like it.
Yeah, all right, man. Let's go and check another car. Thank you.
Thank you. Let's just go. Thank you.
And here we have this RX-7, but with an engine swap. LT1 V8. It's a Chevy engine. It's amazing masterpiece. Someone put dedication on it, and the result is this, an amazing vehicle. This is what enthusiasts are capable to do when they have the willing to bring their spirit up and do everything possible to make an amazing car like this. I'm pretty sure this car has a lot of power, especially drifting power. This is a very good car for drifting. Let's go check another car. Here we have this 2010 Mitsubishi Evo X. I think then everybody knows this Evo because of its tuning potential. This Mitsubishi Evolution, a Lancer Evolution, it is a car that can push so much power that can match supercars, all-wheel drive, and it has a pretty small engine, a 4-cylinder engine. It's very known of the rally races. On rally races, this thing was destroying almost every single car over the rally races. But today we have it here at this meet. I'm very impressed because these cars are super rare to see, and today we have it here in Eastvale. And it's pretty much a stock, simple modifications, wide body and stuff like that, nothing crazy, and that's hard to find because mostly these cars are highly modified and really hard to find in a stock. I'm pretty amazed with that, and I really wanted to review it, and today I have the chance to do it, and I am completely amazed with the power that this Lancer Evolution can produce with such a small engine. But let's go and check another car. Seems like everybody's getting crazy today. Yeah. Oh, that's the 335. And here we have this 2018 Kia Stinger, and here we have the owner, Jason.
What's up, brother?
Nice to meet you. I'm Francisco. You own this beautiful Kia Stinger. The reason why I wanted to review is because this car is new to the enthusiast world. It was recently introduced like 3-4 years ago, and it's a car that can perform super well. Tell me, what do you think about this car?
The reason I love the car, me personally, is like I've driven high-end cars before, from Range Rovers to Beamers to Audis and stuff like that. And my thing is, You can get the same performance out of any vehicle. However, when Kia came out and released this car a couple of years back, it was almost like nobody didn't know about it, but I kind of knew about it because of the designer who designed the Audi A7, and it kind of has the German design and all the features and aesthetics to it. So I was like, why not get it? It's almost half the price of any high-end car, and it performs just as fast. It has all the bells and whistles as any other vehicle. So it's like, that's why I fell in love with it. It's like discreet and subtle, but it kicks ass.
I like that. I like.
You don't gotta be too flashy.
Yeah, he really knows. I mean, why he brought this car to the world, and this car is still like underrated, still up to date, because some people don't want to accept it as a performance car. But believe it or not, this is a performance car that can compete with many high-end BMWs, Mercedes, or Japanese brands as well. And it's gonna cost way less money, right?
It's almost like it's in its own class. It's not in the lane of a Beamer. It's not in the lane of a Camaro or a Charger. You know, those things like that. It's in its own lane, basically. It's like he said, it's in its own class, and people have not discovered it yet. So it's kind of cool to see that, you know, you have one or two, and then afterwards, you know, the market will become saturated with them, of course, like any other vehicle. But you know, for now, I'm enjoying it, having one of the many few of them out there right now.
Yeah, so that's what we can see. It is making its way to the community, and I'm glad that he brought it today, so he can be part of the community today, showing them, you know, everybody's welcome. So you don't feel intimidated if you are a car that nobody knows. Bring it over here, and you will see then everybody will welcome you. Thank you, man.
Thank you, brother. Thank you for having me.
A request, and then you follow me back.
I will.
I like your car.
Thank you.
Okay, let's finish this. Let's finish this. Let's finish this. All right.
Fuck, dude, that was